Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to our first installment of our DIY anti-stress activities. And in this installment, I am going to teach you how to make inexpensive stress balls that you can do at home with just a few simple things to save you money instead of you going out buying them for 20 somewhat dollars or more. And as you can see, the only thing you're going to need is a funnel, which is what I have right here, all-purpose flour, balloons, and scissors. And that's it. Now, that's the first thing that we're going to do. Now, to start, we first need to cut open the balloons. So we're going to cut open the bag of balloons. Now, most of these things, this is only going to cost you, I would say, maybe about $10 or less. The balloons you can normally buy for almost under $1 to $1 something, depending on where you get them. A small bag of all-purpose flour, your funnel you can get in a dollar store, and scissors everybody has at home. So most of the things you'll have in your cooking. As you can see, we open the bag, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out your first balloon and stretch it. I'm stretching it. And then another way you can stretch it is by blowing on it to stretch it out, which is what I'm going to do. As you see, I blew it up just to stretch it out. Then you're going to let the air out because, see, that stretches it more. Okay, so that's your first step that you need to do. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to choose you can use flour or rice. I prefer flour because I feel the rice could poke open because it's hard. So it has more of a tendency to pop open. So I feel the flour is better, so that's why I'm using the flour. Okay, now the next thing is you're going to take the funnel and stick it in the balloon like this into the neck. As you can see, that's what I did. And try to get the neck so it goes all the way down like that. So you can see it goes into the balloon part. Okay? Then after you do that, you're going to pour the flour in slowly. So we're going to open the flour. Got our flour bag open. And we're going to pour this in slowly. So you want to try to make like a small pouring spout. And you're just going to pour that in slow like that. Shake it so you can see it gets in there. Check. Tap it to help it go down. If it doesn't go down, you can just take a pen or something long like that and just keep poking it to help it go in, which is what I'm doing here. And it is going down. You just do this for a while. And you can see the flour is in the bag. Okay, my thing is coming off, so we're going to do that. Try not to have anything too pointy, because you might puncture the balloon. But you want to just try to, if you have something long, it's better than like a pen, because you want to get it in there. But unfortunately, all I have is a pen, and this is a short spout. So let me see if I can find something bigger to do it with here. Pencil's a little bit longer, so I'm going to try a pencil. And sometimes you may just need to back it up a little bit. If you went too fast, you'll know. And then you can push the rest down like that. And just slowly push it in. And it fills up the bag as you do it. And it's not really hard to do. You just have to make sure you do it slow. Because if you don't, it's a small opening and the flour can clog inside the the funnel, excuse me. And then you have to just back it up so you can unclog it. Which is what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to back it up a little bit. We're going to take the excess right now and pour that back in there so that we can get it to where we want it. Okay, we're just going to keep tapping the funnel to get the excess out so it's not clogged. Because I put a wee bit too much. The best way to pour it is if you have a small measuring cup or measuring teaspoons, which I didn't use. I just poured it into the funnel, and sometimes flour can come out a little bit fast. So that's what happened to me. I'm going to see if we can push it in. There we go. To make a hole in the funnel. And then you pull it out. There. Now we got all that in. The funnel's not clogged. And of course you have air in the balloon, so that doesn't help. So, okay. I'm just going to tap it to make sure it's all in there. And then I'm going to take the other end. Okay, we got it all in. Okay. And we're going to do it again, but we're going to remember to do it slow so it doesn't clog. And we're going to do this because my funnel did clog. As you can see, I'm going to show you the funnel. You can see where it clogged up some. So I'm going to unclog it like that. Put the balloon over the flour bag again. And put the funnel back in. And then we're going to pour just a little bit in. Tap the funnel. It's all empty. Put a little bit more in. Now you can make this as big as you want or as small as you want. I'm just going to do small ones just to show you. So they're not going to be very big, but you can do the bigger one. Alright, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to stick the funnel in there so I don't make more of a mess. Okay, then you take your balloon, you squish all the air out. Now, so the flower don't come out, you put a space in like this, and you're going to tie it like that, okay? Now that you got that, you're going to snip off the excess rubber, which is right on top here. Don't snip below your knot. Snip above it, like that. See, I just snipped it off. That's all I did, is I snipped the top off. You can throw that away. Okay? Then you're going to grab a second balloon. Okay? You're going to stretch it out. Like I just did, stretch it this way, so it's nice and stressed. You're going to snip off the excess rubber. So right about here on the neck, you're going to cut. You can snip off more afterwards. Okay, and then what you're going to do, I have a tremor in my left hand, so I'm having a little bit of problem, so hold on. There we go. You have it open like this. See how I have it open, and you're just going to put this ball into that one without tearing it. Okay, like I just did. Okay. And you're going to grab one more balloon. Okay. You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to blow it up like I just did. Let the air out. Stretch it this way. You're going to cut off the end, but not a lot, because you want to be able to tie this one. So you're just going to chop off the top just like I just did. Okay. And then you're going to grab this. Grab it like this. Open it up. Just like you did the last one. See how it's open? And you're going to stick this balloon in there. That's why you need 3. Okay, once it's stuck in there, then you're going to tie it. Like so. See how I tied it? And then you can snip off the extra on that. With your scissors. Just like so. And there's your stress ball. So, you can squeeze it like that. And that is how you make your homemade stress balls for very inexpensive price. I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, every Thursday we will be doing a different one. I will be going back and forth from doing this to doing my other activities. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section after the video and tell me how you enjoyed it or if it was something you don't want to see anymore. Any feedback is always greatly appreciated. Have a great day and remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, because what the eyes see doesn't matter. What truly counts is invisible to the eye because only the heart can see it. I love you all. Have a great day.